Smile mo nga. Tawa.
Pink, may bolo ka na? Opo.
Parang ganito lang. Okay.
Time-lapse mo.
Mukhang walang solo sir. Si Roger ata, tsaka si...
Nice. Then, usap tawanan. Conversation. Okay. Next po. Sige ma'am.
Sino na itong dalawa?
Gusto mo muna tingin. Yan, sige ma'am. Ma'am, okay na.
Okay lang kahit hindi naman closer so much.
Tayo ka lang ng straight mo lang.
Yes ma'am. In your hands ma'am. Nice. Or relax.
On your laps. On your
Yes.
leg.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's it.
Okay, smile. And talk to each other, have conversation, and then laugh together. Yes, okay. Nice. Perfect, love the smile. Madali lang siyang kunan, ma'am. Grabe. And then, next family po. Ma'am, okay na. Perfect.
Wait for his instruction.
Okay na po. Si Kuya.
Kuya, you didn't wear
Okay lang, ano,
your
may wala tayong night class.
You didn't wear your watch.
Hindi ka comfortable na walang sunglasses.
Mamaya tanggalin din. Yung may glass shoes.
Okay, hindi lang po muna. Nice level.
You want without glass.
Smile. Okay. Ma'am, do you want to see, do you want to show your teeth? Your,
No.
Okay, okay, okay.